It's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The Silverado 1500 is built to last because you don't build a legacy on chance. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, heated steering wheel, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated split bench seats, V8 engine, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and intercooled turbo V8 engine. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. Experience it for yourself today.
Hall Automotive. More cars. Great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads.